Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to turn off NordVPN on your device. This can be helpful when you need direct internet access or want to switch networks. Let's get started. NordVPN is a high-speed virtual private network service that keeps our online browsing secure, hides our IP addresses, and lets us bypass geo-restrictions using over 8,900 servers. It has a strict no-logs policy, threat protection, malware scanning, ad blocking, and works on all major platforms. We can protect up to 10 devices. Turning off NordVPN lets us use our regular internet connection without VPN routing. This is useful for accessing local services, banking apps, or websites that block VPN traffic. It can also help improve speed for non-sensitive tasks or help us troubleshoot network issues. Turning it off gives us visibility and lets us turn protection back on whenever we need it. To do this, open the NordVPN app. When we reach the main page, this is our home page. If we are connected to NordVPN, we can see the status in the upper left corner of the app. My apologies for not having a premium account, but let me use this image I have as an sample. For example, it might say we are connected to the United States, server number 6487. To turn it off, look for the power button icon next to the pause button. To turn off NordVPN, click this button and we will be disconnected. The NordVPN app will now show that the VPN is off. We can click connect again if we want to turn it back on. That's how we turn off NordVPN. Knowing when to disconnect helps us manage our connection and stay in control of our privacy. Just remember to turn it back on when we need security or are using public networks. Stay safe online without worrying your security.